The Act of is a 1935. The another is an important milestone in the constitutional progress of is India, which is a reach is after the long phase of the debates and the discussions and deliberations in the controversies, which is started with this appointment of the Simon Commissions. Act contain the following provisions. The Act contained the following provisions: the federal provisions for the first times, first federal provisions for the first times, and the new federations was to include not only the British province and the province of the chief commissioner, but also the native state is represented by the nominees of the native ruler. The federal is the provisions of the act could not be implemented except there is a federal court, now called it is the Supreme Court. The failure of the federal is experiment is explained not only in terms of its the faulty conceptions in the Indian circumstances and but also in terms of the non-fulfillment of the terms and conditions which were related to the participations of at least the half total number of this native state representing the populations not less than the half total populations of the native state, and this is the conditions where for the striking the balance between the interest of the large and the smaller state. The federal scheme of act is seen as the attempt to include the reactionary the relents like the prince into the colonial political systems to the counterbalance and is a nationalist forces. The new constitutional is the status to the province during their the powers and directly from the crown. Provincial the autonomy introductions of the fully the responsible system of is a government in the province, and this is a directly at is a provincial level come to be the abolished. The introductions of the diarchy at is the central levels and based on the divisions of the central subject into the reserve and the transfers category. The act could not satisfy the national exception acceptations despite the fact that is the Indian National Congress is agree in its the implementations. The nationalist objections can be the better understood in light of is the nationalist is expectations based as embodied in the famous is the Nehru report in the 1928. The Nehru report is accepted as and the important is the document in which is we can notice the nationalist the expectations in the course of the constitutional development of the country at very crucial juncture. It provides for the following: the Swaraj dominion status, and this was and the old demands and is come to be the appreciated older generations of the leaders, and this was opposed by the young leader like the Subhash Chandra Bose and is Jawaharlal Nehru, how had started the demanding the complete independence, the Purna Swaraj. In this Madras sessions, the Congress which is decided to the boycott the Simon commissions, the Nehru had is succeed getting is a pass snap resolution on the complete independence. Both the Lahore had established a league for the independence in the 2028 to propagate the demands for the complete the independence. The British independence leagues and the formal names and the older leaders was not is ready to go this is extended, but they also the could not is ignore the new aspirations and is assure the new leaders that if the Swaraj is not is granted is within the years, and they would accept the India as is a complete is a independence, and the government did not is oblige or oblige So the annual is a sessions of is the Indian National Congress at Lahore in the 1928. The president of his Congress is Jawaharlal Nehru. The declared the Purna Swaraj as the goal of his Indian National Congress, and he defined it not only in the terms of his complete independence but also in terms of his socio-economic reorganization of the country. So no socialist line is a fully the responsible government at the both is a provincial and is a central level. The rejected the idea of is a separate electorate and is a provided for the system reserve reservations for the protections of is a regional is a interest. The issue of the reservations is a emerged born of is a contention between the Indian National Congress and the Muslim League. The leaders of the Muslim League, the Jinnah, demanded the reservations for the Muslim. Even the Muslim majority, the province, due to the high level of is a poverty qualifications, and one third is the reservations at the central and the central. At least this is the demands that not is accepted. The Sir Jinnah adopted the reactionary the postures by the demanding the 40 point is amendment. Is a secular state. Protections of the cultural right of is the minorities is a fundamental right is a linguistic recognition and is a province universal is adult franchise. The Act the 1935 not only the ignored the Nehru report and but also retained the high level of his property qualifications and the special powers of his governor governor and the governor general, which almost is the neutralize the benefits of the progressive provision of act. The impact of his original event is the modernizations of the Japan as a response to the Western colonialism interference. There is a particularly after the famous is a Meiji restorations, and it come to the shore as the continuous is a source of his inspirations for the Indian nationalist, having these inspirations is related to the modernizations of the India. Defeat by the Russia by Japan in the 1905, which broke the myth of his European is invincibility. Invisibility. It is a particularly affected is the radical or the revolutionary the during the Swadeshi movement. Who now started the forceful is the evictions of the British from the India. The First World War in the following ways, increasing is the exploitations of the India and is the Indian resources, the both the man and material for the mobilizing the resources for the British war. Effort is a creating there is a greater is a discontent on this a part of is the Indians and is a economic is a economic hardship due to the inflation is a distributions of is supplies from the Europe and the distributions of the service. Unemployment is a particularly after war due to the demobilizations of his soldier and is a closure of the war's times industry and his opportunity of his Indian industry the temperate temperately the cell form save forms the Europeans competitions and which also led to the consolidations of the capitalist classes and is the working classes. Opportunity for the revolutionary the activities both in the India and is abroad, the particularly the active where is a revolutionary the associated with the famous Gadar movement. Leading by the Lala Haridayals, the revolutionary the like is the Raja Mahendra Pratap Bakhtaullah and is Oha, Ohaidullah Sindhi. The farmer is a revolutionary, the government of the India in the exile in the Kabul. The Home Rule Movement, Unity in the Congress, Lucknow Pact is a Montagu Declaration in the 20 August in the 1917. The emergence of the issue of is a Khilafat movement is the Punjab wrongs and is a Russian revolution in the 1917 Bolshevik revolutions at the particularly affected the youth and is a revolutionary and the some is a revolutionary like M.N. Roy and is a participated in the third communist international and also the established the political party the communist party of the India at Tashkent. In India, we find the growth and the development of socialist India, the giving the birth to the socialist individual organizations and including his organizations of his a peasant, the worker. Like all India Traders Union is a congress in the 1920, whose the first sessions was presided by the Lala Lajpat Rai. And we can also the mention is a foundation fundamental we can also mention is a foundation is a communist party of India at is a Kanpur in the 1924 is a Satyabhakta all India Kisan Sabha all India Kisan Sabha the convened in the 1936 under the presidentship of the Swami Shahajananda Saraswati. In the same years, we also find the political party Congress Socialist Party. Leaders like is the Kripa Kripalanj, Minu Masani, JP, etc. We also find the birth cultural organizations or birth cultural organizations and is a progressive writers associations. We also find is the emergence of the growth of new literatures inspired by the socialist idea. Even in the Indian National Congress, we find is the emergence of a new fraction with the left leftings left leanings led the leaders like the Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Second World War. Manifestations of is Indian nationalism. Manifestations of is Indian nationalism. The early manifestations of the Indian nationalisms can be seen in forms of what is called as the politics of the socialism. Politics of his association, which is mainly emerged the second half of the 19th century, it gave the birth to the many regional is a political organizations and the many regional leaders who started the making the nationalist demands and with and is the exceptions to the invict the attentions of is the government to the problems of the Indian national lives and is the problems is related to the different sections of the Indian societies. The famous Zamindari associations, also known as the Landholder Society, the founded by the Devendranath Tagore in the 1830, is accepted as the first political organizations for the modern India. It was for the protections of the interest of the Zamindar in Bengal. But the most famous is the political organization before the foundations of Indian National Congress was the Indian Association is founded by Surendranath Banerjee in 1876. The Surendranath Banerjee and his organizations come to the know for the following reasons and the taking the interest in the split of the indigo farmers during the famous indigo revolt and is the launching all India agitations on these reforms in the civil service. He is the first leaders how try to the establish and is all India political organizations with the same objective in the mind convened to the meeting the Indian National is a conference in the years like the 1883 and the 1885 in Calcutta. It was due to his involvement in the second meeting that he could not participate in the foundation's sessions of his Indian National Congress. Later on, he joined the Congress and the Indian National Conference came to the merge into the Indian National Congress. The first organized manifestations of manifestations of is Indian nationalism at all Indian levels and can be seen in the forms of his Indian National Congress. The sum is the importance, the detail is related to the foundation, related to the foundations mentioned below. The 1885, the Bombay, the Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit Mahavidyalay, the foundations by the A. Ho Hume and a retired civil servant is a foundation. Founding is a president by the V. Omesh Chandra Banerjee and number of is a delegates is 72, 72 uh, present by the regional political party or association. Is a governor general is a viceroy of the time of that time is a Lord Dufferin. Lord Dufferin was a viceroy when is the INC Indian National Congress get forms in 1885. The aims and objective of each of the Congress is the national buildings by the promoting the friendly relations and is a mutual understanding among is a political is activist of the different is a part of the country the national unity. This is a forms at the top would the percolate downs to the masses in due course of the times. The political is a trainings by the formulating the nationalist demands and is the presenting them to the before the authority and the building is the public opinions in there is a favors both in the India and is the in England. The approach is adapted in its the long term objective of is the national buildings and is the political is the trainings of is the Indian National Congress. Exhibited the sum is approach and which is almost the remains same throughout is a national movement is a subject and is a sum is a modification due to the emerging is a circumstances and is a change in the leadership. In this is the context, the following the decisions or the resolutions of the Indian National Congress are the particularly the noticeable. The Congress is decided that take up only the political issue and not the issue related to the socio-cultural reforms and which was likely to be the quite divisive or the divisive, putting the national is a unity and the task of is a national building at the risk. In this is the context, it ignore even the advice of this Viceroy Lord Dufferin. The meeting of is a Indian Social Conference and which come to be the organized by the Justice Ranade, allowing with the sessions of is the Indian National Congress is a come to be the stopped largely due to the oppositions of the Tilak and his followers. And this is the altitude of his INC, the continue even in the later days, and is the Indian National Congress, even it's the most is a radical phase, could not be the radical enough to share is the perspectives, the so-called the lower class movement. It is in this is the light we can is understood we can understand the famous conversations in the between the Gandhi and is the Narayan Guru, in which the Gandhi had argued the even the leaf of the same trees are not the same. The difference between the so-called the mainstreams and his Ambedkars can also be the explained on the basis of the concerns for the consensus on the part of the leadership. But the Indian National Congress is the did the display. The sum is a flexibility, the particularly under the Gandhi, when it become the mass movement to the undertake. Undertake even is a sum is a social issue like the abolitions of his untouchability as a part of his Gandhian is a constructive the programs do increasing the left wing's influence on the Indian national movement and is a radicalizations of these masses Congress or the mainstream become even more open toward the socio-economic economic is a reconstructions, and this is the concerns come to be the concretize in these provisions of the Indian constitutions and which is represented not only the political revolutions but also the social revolutions. Ignoring the class conflict, the Indian National Congress from the very beginning They realize that the major conflict of the times is between the national interest and the colonial interest, and all other the conflict the must be the subordinated is avoided till the resolutions of is a main conflict. It is for this the reasons Congress never is accepted the radical is a positions on the class issue, which were is a becoming the more and more is the importance increasing the socialist rhetoric the world over. The early Congress is largely due to the concerns for is the consensus that was required for the nation buildings, and but also due to the elite social base of the early Congress is a reside the issue of is a revenue appropriated by the government from both the peasant and is a zamindar, but is hardly the trade the issue the related to the realizations and to the excessive the rent by this zamindar is the providing and is a opportunity to the British government to the present itself as a real champion of the interest of is Indian peasantry, and increasing the Congress has and its organization is a representing the only the some is a Western interest, and similarly the early Congress did not is a concern itself with the conditions of is Indian workers and working in this Indian industry, but in the race it wise against the exploitations of the Indian workers is working in these British concerns sent as the endangered laborers outside the India. This is the approach of the Congress is the continue even in the later days, and even it's the more radical phase and is avoid social base and is the powerful. The powerful is a person of the left wings. Congress is the never is supported the idea of the class struggle. Through it is a through it the idea of the class mobilization. The Congress never supported the idea of is a class struggle, and though it accepted the idea of the class mobilization. The concerns of is the Indian National Congress for the nation building, and the national is a consensus of the poor sections of the society come to be the synthesized mainly inform the Gandhian theory of the class cooperation with the idea likely the trusteeship is a trusteeship, and is a guardianship is a related to the relationship between is a capitalist and workers and the zamindar and is a peasant is a respectively, and due to increasing is the influence of is a socialist discourse of the Indian national movement, and the Congress come to accept is some broader goal or some broader objective of the socialisms, and the idea of is a completely independence as explained by the Nehru come to the include not only the political independence but also the socio-economic is a reconstructions of the Indian life on is a socialist line, but those the democratic means it also the accepted the role of the state and is a public is a sectors, and is a, even these programs of the planning in due course of the times, and the such is a fundamental changes is a come to the express them is a self not only in pre-independent is the resolutions of the Congress in the sessions in the Lucknow, and is a Faispur in the 1936 in the 1937, but is also in the some post the independence the decisions. In this is the context we can is a particularly the mention is a mixed model of is a economic development, mainly based on the Nehru Mahalanobis model, and which is accepted the coexistence of the both is the public sectors and the private sector. Measure like is abolitions of the zamindari, nationalization of banks, and is an initiative like is a Bhutan can be understood in the same light, and is alleviating the force of is the religious is the minorities, particularly the fur of Muslim. Latter half of the 19th century had witnessed the orig- origin and the growth of his modern politics. Despite all the colonialism limitations and the new politics was to the involves the mass sooner or the later. This is a general the sense of his sense of operations on the part of his religious is the minorities, particularly on the part of the Muslim. Now had is started is showing the some is the separate is the tendencies, particularly under the influence is the Aligarh movement, as whose leader the Sir Syed Ahmad Khan is known for the advising the Indian Muslim to the abstain from the politics of his Congress, and those his advice had the impact mainly on the landed elites. The North India, yet the Indian National Congress tried to the clear its the position in the order to the increase the participations of the Muslim in its the politics associated with the national building. The Indian National Congress passed a resolution in the 1889 and decided that is the Indian National Congress will not take up is any issue affecting the minorities if not supported by the majority of the Muslim delegates. This is a careful approach of the Congress to continue. Even the latter day, the Congress emerged as a champion of the Hindu-Muslim unity and try to avoid the sectorial and the politics and the willingness of the Congress for this forge the for the national unity based on the Hindu Muslim can be seen even in the famous the Lucknow Pact in the 1916, in which the important is a role was played by the Tilak, Jinnah and Annie Besant. As a part of this the pact on which the Muslim League Congress accepted, there is a system of the separate electorate is given to the Muslim by the Act in the 1909. And this move through well is the intention come be the criticize on the ground that is a provided is a legitimacy to the separatist politics of the Muslim League, accepting the league as is a representative of his Indian Muslim, and this is accepted as the blunder on the parts of his Indian National Congress, and which is diluted its the claim to the represent is the Indian Muslim as well or the national as whole. The pact was criticized even was the Gandhi who had joined Indian politics during the First World War as inadequate for the Hindu-Muslim unity. He considered the Lucknow Pact to be pact between the rich, educated Hindu and rich, educated Muslim. The concerns for the Hindu-Muslim unity, the concerns from the Hindu-Muslim unity acquired the new emphasis under the Gandhi how on the basis of its the South Africa experience is a quite is a convenience, it's the utilities or is the possibilities. The Gandhian agenda for the unity at the levels of the mass led him to accept and is appreciated the emerging concerns is related to so guarded is a Khalif on the port of his sections of his Indian Muslim mainly concerns about the protections of his Islamic holy faith. The Gandhian is a move in this justified it was well intentioned move which led to the politicizations of the large sections of the Muslim populations in the anti-colonial ideology based on the realizations in fact that the different sections of the Indian society may have there is a different concerns and the national unity can be the forged by the supporting these concerns of the one another against a common enemy. But Mu is also the criticized for the reasons that it set a wrong precedent to the look at is a political issue through the religious is a prism. The religious is a political is a conscious. Ness is a, could not be the converted into the secular political is a consciousness based on these realizations of his exploitative characters of his colonialism and concerns for the modern is the transformations and the use of his traditional terms and is a category by the Gandhi and other Congress leaders like the Ram Raj etc. Mainly the broad borrowed forms the religious is the narratives of is the country also the created the some is a confusion in the mind of the mass which was well is exploited by the separatist and the communal is organized communal organist Indian National Congress. Despite it, the failure to the check the growth of the growth of is a communalism, Congress never is accept the theory of the two nations is the propounded by the Muslim League, and all well is a always well is a pursue its self and is organizations of all the Indians is a fighting for this protection of all Indian interest. This is approach was the mention by the Congress even at the peak of his communal politics and his importance episodes in this is a respect the Simon Simla conference to the organized to the discuss the famous Webel plan is related to the reconstitutions of his executive council of the Viceroy in the 1945. In this, the Conference League is demanded is all the Muslim members of the reconstituted is a council to be the nominated only by the Muslim League, establishing his claim to the represent the Indian Muslim. This claim was not accepted by the President of the Congress. How was officially the negotiator of his Congress? Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. The Wavell plan is a failed and is also the criticized for the giving the equal weightage to the both Congress and the leagues with the equal number of his representative as part of the British policy of his divide and rule. The secular is the credential of the Congress came to be well is reflected in the secular constitutions of the country. After the independence and the partitions of the country, 1885 and the 1947. 1885, the liberal extremist home rule Gandhi Swarajist socialist. The colonialism, the nationalism's leadership, the social base, leaders, goals, means of mobilizations is the technique of is a resistance is a movement, assessment, liberal. The colonialism is exploitative, but the beneficials in the terms of is a modernizing India, and so it is historical necessity. India is not yet a nation but a nation in the makings and the Dadabhai Nauroji, Gokhale, Surendranath Banerjee, Aho Hume etc. Urban middle classes is a westernized, the intellectual big zamindar is a retired civil servant is a modern professional, the teachers, lawyers, goal the gradual reforms through the constitutional is a means is the political economic and is a economic little the small the beliefs in the capacity of is the capacity of is the masses so know the programs for the mass mobilization. In fact, they were is a more is a interested in the mobilizing British public opinions to put the pressure on the British government. The modern techniques of is a resistance based on the technique of is a petitions, pair, and is a representations is a workshop leaders on is a criticize in the policy of is a mendicancy. The first phase of is the Swadeshi movement, and which was the movement is started against the partition of Bengal, was led by the liberals. They started the modern politics is against is the founded the INC and is so there's a seeds of is Indian nationalism Extremist is the colonialism is the exploitative and is exploitation is not incidental to the British rule and is accidental but is a intentional but intentional and is exploitation is main objective of the British rule in India. The British rule have on is a progressive agenda, no progressive role in the India. India is a great nation and since its ancient times in the context they believe in this cultural nationalisms. Lala Lajpat Rai, the Bipin Chandrapal, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, some same as the moderate, but they were less inspired by the Western educations and the traditional and more by the Eastern philosophical is the traditional is the Swaraj reforms all the possible means of this Swaraj self rule in the hated the political is atmospheres of his Swadesh movement acting as a pressure group they force even the liberal to accept the goal of the Swaraj declared by the Dadabhai Nauroji as the president of the Kolkata Congress in the 1906. But both these fractions is the interpreted is a Swaraj differently and is a different related to this and is other issue that created is a circumstances of is a Surat split in the 1907. The mass mobilization as they believe in this capacity of the masses they come to rely upon the cultural symbols and is a slogan glory factions of the national nation heroes for the mobilizations of his masses. Extra constitutional is the techniques of his resistance to the boycott Swadeshi in this hated the political atmosphere of his Swadeshi movement. The extremist even forced the liberal the accept this strategy of his boycott the Swadeshi, but both the fractions against a different there is under the their understanding of the scope and is extended the both the boycott and Swadeshi. They come to the lead the second phase of this Swadeshi movement and in which the concept of is Atma Shakti. Atma Shakti and is a passive resistance come to be the use in the Atma Shakti. The slogans was given by the Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. The new is understanding of is the colonialism. Nationalism is expansion of the goals is the new techniques of is a resistance and home rule leagues. 1915, 1916 launched by the Tilak and his basant was made for this spreading awareness related to this self-rule by the relying upon the liberal means like the debate, speeches, petitions and the workshop is a seminars etc. Gandhi emerged as the tallest political figures on this Indian political horizon and his success can be explained not only on the basis of his circumstances is created by the First World War but also the basis of power of his personality, use of the simple lifestyle, and the strength and stability of his the political is a philosophy. In Indian circumstances, is a characterized the following element is a colonialisms and is a capitalisms are the interlinked, but this is analyze is a different forms mark. In sense, he talk about the capitalisms as creating the crisis for the modern civilization in terms of its erosion of the spiritual values, making the man greedy and is aggressive. Such tendency when the display at the national levels is given birth to the imperialism is the colonialisms and the theory of is the composite is a spirituality as the forming the basis of is the Indian nations and the Dharma Gandhi identifying the dharma true satya with the just and just just and just with the fight against the injustice. And the greatest injustice of the times was the colonial exploitations, and this he made the fight against the colonial rules not only the political duty but also a moral and is a religious duty, and he came to be the respected not only as the political is the leaders but also the spiritual leaders to the masses is the satyagraha. This is the refers to the insistence on this truth, and this is a provided the basis for the idea for the civil disobedience, representing and is advancement over the earlier the techniques of non-cooperations and is the passive resistance, non-violence, and that is a very powerful and effective the techniques of is a resistance and is a mobilization is a making the Indian national movement a mass movement, and is a sarvodaya refers to the upliftment of all which took the forms of the Gandhian is a constructive programs, the truthship, the guardianship, the struggle to struggle, and is a resign local issue to the national importance. The Swarajist accepted the participations in the elections is accepting the all things by the accepting the Gandhi accept Act the 1990. The socialism, the accepting the Gandhi, all things is the colonialism is the Marxist goals, and some is the Gandhi complied the independence class is the mobilization is the Gandhian is the techniques non-violence.